Let's draw a box, just a square. So turtle dot forward, let's go 100. And then we can do turtle dot left. Let's go 90 degrees. Okay, that's what makes a square. Let's do forward. Let's do left. Let's do forward. Let's do left. Let's do forward. And just to finish it off and round it out, let's do left again. Okay, I just broke a fundamental rule of programming, which is don't repeat yourself. Dry. The reason for that is computers are really good at repeating things for you. Okay, computers are really good at repeating things for you. So instead of repeating things myself, I want to make the computer do it. How many times did I do forward and left? I did it 4 times. So what I can do is a for loop, which is different from the number 4, but for loop is in basically every computing programming language. And in Python, it looks a little different than it might in others. So I want to do in for I in range, and then 4, which is the number of times I want this loop to iterate. Okay, just to demonstrate what's going on here, I'm just going to print this I, and then I hit that enter. So what it did was it printed I as 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. So there are 4 times that this loop runs, and this I is just a counter. It's counting number 0, number 1, number 2, and number 3. Python is 0 indexed. It always starts at 0, which might get confusing, but you'll get used to it. So if I don't even need that I can just ignore it and then just do what I was doing, which is turtle.forward. I should note, you see this tab. That's what I did here. So after the 4, I had a colon, and then Python indicates that we're inside of a block of code by the indentation it is away from the edge. So I tab over, and then I can do my turtle.forward 100, and then again, tab over turtle.left 90. Now, sometimes in some coding environments, that tab might be there for you, so you don't have to hit tab. Just make sure that you are tabbed over. In some languages, there's like a curly brace and then a curly brace at the end. That tells you that all of this is inside the for loop. All of this is getting run 4 times. So it's going to do forward, then left, then loop again. Forward, then left, then do that again. Forward, then left, then one more time, forward, then left. So that will do exactly the same as what I did up there, but a lot easier.